Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get ZOE in KingShot. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to get ZOE in KingShot, a powerful SRR hero. ZOE doesn't appear in the standard hero recruits drop rates, so you'll need to collect her shards to unlock her. Start by opening the heroes menu and selecting ZOE, then tap the plus button next to her shard counter to see available ways to obtain shards. Depending on events, your options may vary. For example, hero roulette or Swordland. If the event is active, tap and go will take you directly there. If it's inactive, it will show as locked. In Swordland, Zoe shards can be exchanged using relic coins, which are earned by participating in the Swordland showdown. Keep in mind there is a limit to how many shards you can acquire per event, so you'll need to plan and collect them steadily. Once you've gathered enough shards, Zoe will be unlocked and ready to join your roster, strengthening your lineup and improving your gameplay in KingShot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.